Oh gosh. Tosin is trying not to be in the video.
Yes,
that she instigated.
So,
don't worry, your face is not showing.
good stuff. That's fine.
Although that's a shame because your face is cute.
Thank you.
It's so nice to be the watcher and not the content creator. I love it. Thank you.
You better be paying me.
You know I didn't bring out the ice.
I want to make frappuccino. Very good.
You love me.
But I can bring the ice.
I have to press the front of the camera.
Okay, don't worry, I'll get it. It's in the camera.
Don't worry.
What the hell was that? Shiwaya, please. I'm sure you're showing.
I feel like I should keep the commentary going.
Oh yeah, now.
Because I don't want to put a voiceover on this video.
Why?
Nothing, I like the vibe in here. I like how this kitchen feels right now. Just two friends.
So, how did I end up making this thing when you were literally supposed to make it for me?
So I told you to come to my house so that I would make this for you.
And I'm making it. One, you got the thing wrong. This is not what I was supposed to make.
So, fair. So what I want to say is really is that in life there are no rules. There are no rules in life. You can live your life the way you want to live it. If you aspire
to respire.
And you desire.
For you to desire.
The sky is not the limit. It's just the starting point. So you can do anything you want. Okay, so I was supposed to make the coffee and then freeze the coffee as. Okay. Listen, I like doing Cinderella things. So I was supposed to freeze the coffee as ice cubes, but I forgot. Oh, I didn't look at the video. I don't know what I was thinking.
It was you that sent me that video.
Yeah, I saw the video and I was like, oh, Tosin would love this.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I was like, come to your house. Yeah. And then she just...
Here we are. But the bright side, we're using really nice Moroccan coffee. Tosin and I went to Morocco together.
Yay!
Oh my god, it's been a month.
Almost
a month.
We came back from 15 to 27. Yeah, almost
a month. Anyway, take me back. This is how I feel right now.
Like, do you know, like, for the first week that we came back, my mom was like, I cannot believe I had to think of what we eat. Like, she was legit lamenting it. Like, so there's no spread for me to just go and pay. I'm like, no, you have to make your own food.
No buffet. Nobody's saying what you want.
Nobody's just giving you a bottle of water because you look dehydrated.
Did you get how nice that was? I feel like I should help. You need help.
You want to take out ice? That's the only help I need.
So it's not like I'm completely useless.
Well, you did set up everything. So is going through it as it is. Cups.
This is my coffee and this is what I'm eating.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's good. Yeah. Does your drink coffee? No, this is my sugar leaf. This one that we drizzled.
But that's nice. Mess. looks
It
nice.
looks
All
nice.
that's missing is a straw. Okay. How is that for content? See for content. That's what we are, content creators.
Nobody should mess with us in this Lagos. We can fight.
Do you have any parting words?
Peace and love, y'all. Love and light. Try this at home.
There's a good. Okay, I can't even see this. Tosin, how does it work?
Here's my coffee, and here's what I'm currently reading. Stitch this with yours.